Man, I hate getting old. Everything gets tougher. I mean, everything. You start to get a little bit of a gut, and then your back hurts, and then, then I can't play golf. And that is the one area that I can actually compete with these younger dudes. And I hear them talking about Emsculpt and how they all have six-pack abs. Yeah, forget six-packs. I would like to see an ab at this point. Then they came out with the Emsculpt Neo. And it has RF so that it heats it up and it like melts the fat while you're doing it. Even after one session, you feel it. You feel good. You're holding your body good, and your stomach actually is tighter. I can do it on my lunch break. Doesn't affect anything afterwards. I can go back. I can have meetings. I can go do whatever. I'm not incapacitated at all. It's amazing. I'm hitting the ball straighter because my gut isn't in the way. Empowered by Emsculpt Neo.